Hello, and welcome to our presentation of Cross Creators Marketplace for Augmented Reality Marketing. And here we're going to talk about not just creative part of augmented reality, but first of all, about what results it will bring to your business. First of all, what is Cross Creators? Cross Creators is a marketplace with more than 2,000 international AR experts, which brings never done ideas to life. Who we work with? 30% we work with brands directly, and 70% it's agency partners. And on the slide, you can see that there are well-known brands over there, and they trust us. So basically, we are who we are, let's say, because we do our work really well, and that's why we are trusted. AR replacing traditional sales and marketing strategies. Brands are shifting more and more from 2D to 3D. Why, you may ask? It's because static ad campaigns, as you can see over there on the right side, they became boring. They became mundane. They became like everyday people see them and they don't even react to them because they see that the content is sponsored and that's the ad, and they someone wants to sell something to them, and in general, yeah. But augmented reality campaign is different because user like to be entertained. He likes to click on something. He likes to see something in real world through the camera, how it will look like. And those campaigns, AR campaigns, they're not just making ads better. They're making AR experiences possibilities to go viral, because the users see the ads, they click try it, and then they liked the experience, and they can share it on their social medias, in stories, or even in posts, if they really liked it. And that bring the other aspect of the augmented reality campaign, virality, and that's really important. But generally speaking, augmented reality campaign 4x longer has 4x longer view time than videos, then 70% higher memory response, conversion rates increasing by 90%, and boosting sales consequently to 35%. But in reality, that number can be higher. 35% is just the average. Then augmented reality brings digital assets in our reality. And a little bit later in the presentation, I will show you the real case studies and how exactly it can be implemented into the AR campaign. So it helps engage target audience along all stages of the marketing funnel, from awareness through interest to purchase, the main action. Why AR? AR, it's a useful tool, not simple, but it's a useful tool for marketing and sale strategies for forward looking businesses. They add value to the products, to the customer loyalty, to the customer experiences, and they promote services. 2 billion AR enabled devices. You may ask, how do you know that number? Why 2 billion? Do you need the VR glasses for that? There aren't like 2 billion VR glasses, right? No, 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 no. You don't need VR glasses for augmented reality experiences. You just need your phone. That's why 2 billion. 2 billion people using their phones, if not more. So the market is pretty vast. Then there are two main pathways to reach consumers through augmented reality. I will start with the second one, third-party AR marketing. It's social media platforms because you are more familiar with this AR experiences, and it's filters, it's portals, augmented reality portals, object adding to the reality and stuff like that. But it's not just made for fun because maybe some of you used AR filters just for fun and was looking for it. That can be used. I mean, augmented reality filters uh, experiences can be used in ads, and that's the game changer. Then there is another category of the pathway. It's first-party AR marketing. It's on the website or through the apps. It's when directly a augmented reality experience integrated into the website or the app. And now we're going to talk about customer journey through that first party pathway. So how we can reach our audience, target audience, and show them our augmented reality experience. First of all, it's a message. They customers basically see the message call to action, and it drives them to the AR web page where they can activate the augmented reality experience. Then they see the link. It's either through the QR code or through the text message, or they type in the URL directly into the browser. Then they allow to use their camera. Then they engage with the experience, and then they share it. Simple. So what are the cases of augmented reality? First, it's augmented world. Which can bring any character, any object to life. So it can be like a mascot of the brand, which can be brought to life. And you can see here it's self-explanatory how does it work. Then the second type is face filters, the most popular one, and you've used it, you've played with it, you laughed with your friends, with your close ones, and you made videos with it. So basically, it's about changing the user's appearances. Image tracking. This is on the left side, you can see the 10 euros. And that was the case of N26 FinTech project. And basically, they went viral with it because, and that was part of their go-to-market strategy. They used the image tracking by tracking the real bills, and a customer could track it, could share it, and 10 euros bills are not that hard to find. Then the second case is Pringles, and it's a pretty interesting one as well for engaging with the product, and it brings more chances to the brand that the user actually will buy it and will play um, with the product. And the third one, it shows the actual ad in the printed media, and that's how it works. Then product visualization. That allows users to interact with the 3D objects. And that's a pretty useful tool because on the previous case, you would need to buy something like the magazine, or you need to buy the product in order to, or you need to find a 10 euro bill in order to use the augmented reality experience. But over here, you can just simply place any object into the reality through the camera. Your product, your product. You see, like the second one is the most uh, usable, I would say, and the most popular. But the first one is interesting too. You can see the car in the real world. You can go around it and see how it looks like, and you can even go inside the car. Then try-ons. Let's continue the second example of the sneakers. Um, so basically, you've placed your object into reality, but you can go even further and create the try-on filter. Imagine the customer goes to the website, see the picture of the sneakers, but have no idea how it's gonna look like with the outfit that he has or she. And that's the problem solver. Basically, you can see how it's gonna look, how it's gonna fit, how it's gonna fit into the outfit that you have, and that will increase the chances that customer will buy the product. Portals. You can even create portals of your stores, of the exhibitions. You can tell a story with the with these portals. Basically, that how does it work? You pick up your phone, you turn on your camera, or follow the link, or go to the social medias, and you see the door through the camera. You go inside the door, you can see other objects, and you go inside a different virtual world, and you can interact with those items inside that room or inside that world, and you can see, like, let's take the previous examples of sneakers and combine all of those experiences. Like, I am in the desert with the Starlink internet. And I need some shoes to be delivered. Let's imagine that there is a post office over there. But I don't see any stores around. So I open my camera. I see the portal. I go inside the portal into the store of sneakers. I choose the sneaker. I click on that sneaker. It directs me to the website. I see the picture of that sneakers. And I click on it. I try it on. Oh, it looks good. And then I click buy. Isn't that just simply sounds futuristic? Then there are mini games which helps to engage with the brand, and that's the most shareable one, because they play games, they spend first of all time, and you can place over there your logos, and they remember your brand better, and they can share those experiences. Like, all of these experiences simply shareable, and there are many chances for those experiences to go viral comparing to the traditional um, content. What makes AR successful? 90% is just magic, which we know how to create, and 10% of marketing. Why it fails? If you think just about marketing. But in simple words, it's just magic which we can navigate, and we know how it works. We have knowledge of marketing, but in reality, those 10%, those knowledge are technical. It's about getting real results. It's about track, but it's additional knowledges, you know. What brings success to the augmented reality campaign? It's just magic, because you know, you have to feel it. You have to feel what user wants. what user needs, what you need to go through millions of AR experiences in order to see the pattern which works, which goes viral. Usage of augmented reality in marketing is effective. So first of all, it's boosting sales by 35%, but as I was saying, even more, 35%, it's just the average number. Then 70% higher memory response, because let's take the mini games case. They see your brand, they play with your cars or any other game, and because they interact with it, the engagement time it's in average from 30 to 70 seconds. 30, 70 seconds, it's a lot. It's a lot. Like compare it just to the videos. How long in in our world people watch videos? Just up to 10 seconds, if you are lucky. In average, you need to grab that attention in first 3 seconds, you know? Then 4x longer view time than videos, 80% awareness increases, and 90% increased conversion rates. People love to be heroes of experiences, and that's just truth. Thank you. Thank you, and let's make the world augmented together. Scan the QR code and see you.